If you thought your car was already packed with everything you need, these 21 gadgets might change your mind. Stick around for number 18. It might be the one gadget here you actually can't drive without. Garage Laser Parking Guide. A simple way to take the guesswork out of parking in a garage. This dual laser system projects adjustable guidelines onto the floor and can cover an angle of up to 75 degrees. Motion detection works from up to 33 feet, and the lasers automatically shut off after 30 seconds without movement. Each laser can also be controlled individually, while the heads rotate 360 degrees for positioning. A 9-volt battery can provide backup power during an outage, although the battery is not included. Retractable Power Charger. This 84-watt charging hub is designed to keep multiple devices powered without leaving cables everywhere. It uses a standard 12-volt cigarette lighter socket and has 2 retractable cables that extend up to 31.5 inches. There are also USB ports, allowing up to 4 devices to charge at once. The main USB-C port delivers up to 45 watts, while another USB-A port delivers 12 watts. The charger can rotate 180 degrees and is designed to stay stable on rough roads. Car Headrest Pillow. Long drives can get uncomfortable when your head has nowhere to rest. This adjustable headrest pillow uses 4-centimeter memory foam and can rotate 360 degrees to accommodate different passenger heights. The pillows can be lifted upward when they're not needed to save space. Installation requires a headrest with 2 removable metal support rods, so fixed or integrated headrests aren't compatible. The design is aimed at adults and children over 4 years old and uses a removable Velcro attachment for easier cleaning. Bluetooth FM Transmitter. An easy way to add wireless audio and hands-free calling to a car with a traditional FM radio. It uses Bluetooth 5.3 and works with 12 to 24-volt vehicles. Charging comes from a 20-watt USB-C port and an 18-watt USB-A port with up to 45 watts of total output. A built-in microphone uses noise suppression for calls, while voice assistant support lets you control calls, directions, and music without handling the phone. The listed price is $19.99. Dog car ramp. Getting a large dog into an SUV or truck doesn't mean lifting them. This folding ramp measures 63 inches long and 17.3 inches wide, creating a gentler angle for climbing. The aluminum structure supports up to 250 pounds and uses a non-slip carpet surface for traction. It folds 4 times down to approximately 17.5 by 17 by 5.5 inches and weighs 13.5 pounds when folded. A safety rope and stainless steel buckles are included for additional stability. Cordless Car Polisher. A small cordless polisher that combines rotary and orbital polishing in one machine. It offers 3 polishing functions, including 3mm and 12mm random orbital movements with 6 speed settings from 2000 to 5500 RPM. 2 12-volt 2.0 AH batteries provide around 20 to 30 minutes of runtime each without load. The included backing plates measure 1, 2, and 3 inches, making the tool suitable for smaller areas such as headlights, wheels, emblems, and body lines. The listed price is $109.99. LED Seat Gap Organizer. This gadget turns the wasted space beside your seats into storage, charging, and ambient lighting. The 2-piece set measures 11 by 9 by 2.6 inches and includes 4 USB charging ports with a 56-watt charging adapter. It also has a 7-color LED light bar with 9 transformation modes and a memory function. Storage sections can hold phones, keys, glasses, wallets, drinks, and other small items. The organizers are designed for seat gaps up to 1.2 inches wide and are made from ABS plastic and leather. AI Car Diagnostic Scanner. For drivers who want more than a basic code reader, this diagnostic scanner uses an 8-inch touchscreen, Android 10, 64 GB of storage, and a 1.5 GHz quad-core processor. Its 5,000 mAh battery provides around 7 hours of use, while wireless operation works from up to 100 feet away. It supports more than 41 reset functions and over 4,000 bidirectional tests. The system can also assist with ECU coding, live data, pre- and post-repair scans, and AI-assisted explanations of fault codes. The listed price is $529.99. Cup holder phone mount. This phone mount gives you a much longer reach than a typical dashboard holder. Its aluminum gooseneck adjusts from 7 to 15 inches and rotates 360 degrees, while the cup holder base expands from 2.3 to 3.3 inches. The holder uses soft silicone grips and leaves the bottom open so you can connect a charging cable. It works with a wide range of smartphones and can be positioned to keep the phone away from the gear shift area. The listed price is $19.99. Rechargeable road flares. When your car breaks down at night, visibility becomes a priority. This emergency flare kit uses rechargeable 1,000 mAh batteries and provides 9 different flashing modes for roadside and SOS signaling. The lights are designed to be waterproof and crush-resistant, while built-in magnets let them attach to the side or rear of a vehicle. Each unit can also function as a flashlight and includes a folding hook for hands-free use. The lights can remain on standby for more than a year according to the supplied product information. Rear seat charging station. This retractable charging station gives passengers access to 3 charging connections from the back seat. It uses a 12-volt input and 3-amp rating, with support for USB-C, micro-USB, and iPhone-style connectors. The charging cables can extend up to 21.6 inches, while the main cable reaches 59 inches. The unit rotates for easier positioning and automatically retracts the cables after use. It can charge up to 3 passengers simultaneously and includes protection against overheating, overcurrent, and overcharging. The listed price is $28.99. Digital GPS inclinometer. This dashboard display packs 10 functions into one screen, including GPS speed, pitch angle, roll angle, battery voltage, compass, altitude, coordinates, and driving alerts. The pitch and roll readings cover a range of -40 to +40 degrees. Its GPS speed measurement has an accuracy of less than 0.36 kilometers per hour, while a 32-channel GPS chip provides altitude data. The display automatically adjusts its brightness according to surrounding light, making the information easier to read during different driving conditions. Blind spot mirrors. These compact convex mirrors add another viewing angle to your existing side mirrors. The set includes 2 2-inch HD glass mirrors with frameless construction and 360-degree adjustable mounting brackets. The convex design expands the viewing area, while the slim glass construction keeps the mirrors compact. Installation involves attaching the adjustable bracket to the existing side mirror after cleaning the surface. They're designed for cars, vans, SUVs, and trucks and require no additional power or electronics. Air cleaning gun. This compress air cleaning tool is designed to push dust and grime out of places that are difficult to reach with a normal vacuum. Its vortex motion agitates dirt inside carpets, upholstery, dashboards, and other surfaces. The tool can switch between wet cleaning and dry air modes, allowing the same unit to help loosen stains and then blow away moisture. It's also designed for areas such as vinyl, leather, and engine bays, and the supplied listing shows a price of $39.69. Rear seat center console. This rear seat organizer adds a dedicated center console where a vehicle doesn't already have one. It provides a large storage area along with 2 cup holders and a phone holder. The storage area is designed for everyday items, while the padded armrest provides an additional resting surface. The organizer is intended for vehicles without an original rear center console and uses a wiped-clean material. The supplied listing shows a price of $134.91. Undercarriage cleaner. Cleaning underneath a vehicle normally means crawling underneath it, but this attachment is designed to keep you standing. The 16-inch cleaner works with pressure washers and garden hoses and supports pressures from 1,500 to 4,000 psi. The listing recommends 2,500 psi or higher for better cleaning performance. Its adjustable design switches between an undercarriage cleaning mode and a water broom mode for surfaces such as driveways and decks. The listed price is $39.99. Camera suction mount. This 6-inch suction mount gives cameras and phones a stable place to capture road trip footage. The vacuum-style suction cup can rotate equipment 360 degrees and uses an adjustable magic arm with 1/4-inch mounting points. It supports up to 6.6 pounds while moving at speeds up to 50 miles per hour. When stationary, the mount is rated for up to 88 pounds horizontally and 110 pounds vertically. It's designed for smooth, flat, non-porous surfaces such as glass and metal. Wireless tire inflator. A compact air compressor that can handle a flat or low tire without hunting for a gas station. It reaches up to 150 psi and weighs less than 1 pound, making it easy to keep in the car. The 4,000 mAh battery can refill up to 8 tires from 30 to 36 psi, and a 195/65 R15 tire can go from 30 to 36 psi in about 1.5 minutes. It also has preset modes for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, balls, and custom pressure settings, plus a 3-mode emergency light. Quick reminder, if this list is actually useful to you, tap like and subscribe so more roundups like this show up in your feed. Now, back to the gadgets. Hard bottom dog seat cover. For vehicles carrying pets, this backseat cover combines protection with a rigid platform. The large version measures 51.18 inches by 26.62 inches and supports up to 450 pounds using 8 reinforced hard panels. The 600D Oxford cloth is waterproof and designed to resist sand, water, and pet hair. The cover can be installed in about 3 minutes and includes a mesh window, built-in seatbelt, and 2 storage pockets. It's also removable and machine washable. The listed price is $99.99. Steering wheel car desk. This foldable car desk creates a flat workspace for a laptop, tablet, food, or writing materials while parked. The tray measures up to 20.6 by 11 inches with the mouse tray extended and features adjustable height and tilt. It can be attached to a steering wheel or moved to the back seat using the headrests. The design folds down for storage under or behind a seat, and the supplied listing shows a price of $41.99, making it a lower-cost option for creating a temporary workspace inside a parked vehicle. Compact car desk. A second style of car desk adds a phone holder while keeping the design focused on portability. It is height adjustable and designed for steering wheels, SUVs, and trucks with a flat surface for laptops, meals, or writing. The tray folds down for storage and can be installed without tools by attaching it to the steering wheel or seat pack. The supplied listing shows a price of $35.99, making it a lower-cost option for creating a temporary workspace inside a parked vehicle. That's all 21. From the tire inflator that saves you a trip to the gas station to the desk that turns your front seat into a workspace, there's something on this list for almost every kind of driver. All the links are down in the description if anything caught your eye. If you found this useful, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next roundup.